You're looking a little bit like a noodle. I thought that we'd do this next one to give you a little more gym-spiration. One more round!
Hello everyone, this is David from DIY Gains. Today, of course, have the warm-up. I'm going to leave links in the description. You can check that out. But today's workout is biceps triceps. Now, of course, on biceps you have two heads, so you have to make sure you hit both of them correctly. And then on triceps, you have three heads. Hence, biceps, two heads. Triceps, three heads. So, what we're doing today is we're going to do 4 exercises. That's it. That's the whole workout. And we're going to do, excuse me, we're going to do 1 set per exercise, and you're done. Now, per exercise, you're going to do 50 repetitions. So, first movement is going to be for triceps. You're going to go good and deep behind your back. Make sure you have full extension. It's going to allow you to be able to maximize your growth for your triceps. Now, once you're in this very bottom position, you're going to come up to right here. Don't come any higher. This would be completely vertical. You don't want to go up there. We're just going right here. That's going to maintain tension on the triceps throughout the full range. You're going to come back down. Go to right there. That's it. You're going to do 50 reps. Choose your weight accordingly. Then you're going to go into your curls. For your curls, you're going to come just above parallel. Don't come any higher, because if you do, if you come all the way up here, notice how my elbows have to shift in order to get up here. So what you want to do is you want to keep the emphasis on your biceps throughout the full range. So you're going to go to right here. Again, 50 reps. Then when you're done with that, we're going to come over here to the tree. And you're going to do body weight dips. Again, completely to the bottom, get full range, extra emphasis on your triceps. Go to right here. This is all the way up. You don't want to come up here. Just before lockout, that way to maintain emphasis on your triceps. Going to do 50 reps. Then once you're done with that, you're going to come over here and do dumbbell hammer curls. Now, I'll turn to the side so that you can see the angle. I do 1 at a time. Go to right here. Don't go any higher, because notice what happens. If you come any higher, your elbow has to shift. So, what you're going to want to do is go to right here. The good rule of thumb is go to the center line of your chest. Now, from the front view, notice you do not want to come straight forward. That'll put extra emphasis on your shoulders, cause for more of an injury issue. So, to make it so that you could avoid that, cross. Bring it to the center of your chest. Alternating dumbbell hammer curls. That's the workout of today. Please like, share, and subscribe. That way you don't miss out on any workout routines. I'll leave links in the description for the warm-up. But anyway, stay tuned. Try this workout out. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Stay tuned for some future workout routines. All right, y'all. Talk to y'all later.
Now, as always, don't forget your recovery. Here I have my Creactor by MuscleTech. Today I'm mixing it with some orange juice, in case you can't tell. Feel as though might possibly be getting a little bit sick or something. 2 of my kids actually had the flu right now, so as a precautionary measure, I'm increasing my vitamin C. Take that as you will, but also figured, you know what, I'll go ahead and use that to mix my creatine formula. Need some kind of a sugar base anyway, that way you can spike your insulin and get the creatine in there. Once I'm done with this, then I'll have my protein shake. But anyway, as always, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. That way you don't miss out on any of the future videos. Alright everyone, now to go ahead and complete your routine, go ahead and make sure that you have your protein shake. I'm mixing mine in the water. Literally no particular reason other than the fact that I ran out of milk. Let's get a little more in there. There we go. Like I said, I'm about to run out of this jug, so I'll be using my second jug, which will last probably about another 2 weeks to a month, depending on how I need to. Oh, look at that. Waste not, want not. What would you just look at that? But anyway, something I did not mention previously is that I also like to take my multivitamin as well as my fish oil immediately following my workout routine. And the reason being is because whenever you're going heavy or just in general, you definitely want to make sure you have your fish oils, that way for your joint recovery. But anyway, stay tuned for next video, which will be for chest and back. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. That way you don't miss out on anything. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to leave it in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right, y'all. Talk to y'all later.